Hello, and welcome to the session. Developing Organizational Vision and Strategic Direction, LO1. Understand how to develop a vision for an organization. How do organizations develop a clear vision and strategic direction? This video explores the essential elements needed to guide organizations towards their future goals. Discover how vision and mission statements shape success. The aim is to build skills in developing a vision and direction for organizations. It's crucial for leadership, especially in public services. This aligns with the NHS leadership framework. The focus is on creating a clear path for organizational success. Understanding these concepts helps leaders guide their teams effectively. A mission statement defines a company's business and objectives. A vision statement describes the desired future position. Together, they form a statement of purpose, goals, and values. The NHS vision is to improve health and well-being. It values excellence and professionalism in all aspects. Respect and dignity are central to the NHS. Quality of care is a commitment they uphold. Compassion drives their response to distress and need. Improving lives is a continual goal. Working together for patients is a priority. Stakeholders have a vested interest in organizational outcomes. Engaging stakeholders involves understanding their influence. Stakeholder analysis identifies key players. Management focuses on relationship building. Public participation is crucial in health policy. Identifying stakeholders is the first step. Group them by participation, interest, and influence. Determine the best communication methods. Use a matrix to assess influence and importance. Monitor and manage relationships continuously. MHA Hillside Nursing Home provides care for older people. The mission is to improve life quality inspired by Christian values. It has a structured organizational setup. Employees are grouped by specialty. Reports flow through a clear chain of command. Identifying stakeholders is crucial for success. Internal stakeholders include workforce and residents. External ones include government and community. Each has different service expectations. A thorough evaluation prioritizes stakeholder needs. Eden and Ackerman use a power interest grid. It assesses stakeholders' interest and influence. The grid highlights coalitions to encourage or discourage. It informs strategies to change stakeholder views. The grid aids in managing stakeholder dynamics. Stakeholders play roles in organizational success. Residents depend on care homes for health needs. Employees rely on the home for livelihood. Engaging stakeholders is crucial for mutual benefit. Various approaches ensure effective engagement. Partnership involves decision-making responsibility. Participation includes team involvement. Consultation seeks input without final say. Push communication broadcasts information. Pull communication provides access to shared information. Organizations must address impacting factors. Political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors are crucial. Pestle analysis identifies these influences. Regular assessment helps spot trends. Awareness aids in strategic planning. Political issues affect healthcare performance. Tax policies and regulations are key concerns. Brexit impacts healthcare staffing. The Working Time Directive supports healthcare workers. Changes in laws can affect contracts and pay. Rising costs challenge healthcare providers. Bankruptcy is a risk due to economic pressures. Social factors include demographics and culture. Understanding social norms is essential. Addressing social needs can strain resources. Technology impacts healthcare significantly. Telecare and telehealth are growing. These systems support community care. They may reduce nursing home demand. Technology is integral to healthcare delivery. The environment affects nursing home operations. Safety and security are crucial. Legal regulations govern healthcare. Compliance is essential to avoid penalties. Legal awareness supports effective operation. A vision statement outlines future goals. It guides organizations towards success. Vision is a signpost for the future. It combines ideology and desired future. Communication and approval are key. A mission statement defines purpose and identity. It answers why an organization exists. It should be clear and adaptable. Mission evolves with challenges and opportunities. Key components guide its development. Identify target customers and services offered. Consider geographic markets and technology. Address survival, growth, and profits. Define values, ethics, and public image. Highlight workforce importance and unique competence. Statements should be measurable and realistic. They influence behavior and resource allocation. MHA Hillside's mission focuses on life quality. Values guide daily operations. Communication ensures stakeholder alignment. Strategic direction involves achieving goals. Plans and actions support the vision. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats are assessed. Strategic plans align with resources and objectives. Effective direction leads to desired outcomes. In conclusion, understanding how to develop a vision for an organization is essential for providing clear direction and purpose. A strong organizational vision defines long-term goals, reflects core values, and inspires employees and stakeholders. Developing a clear vision helps guide strategic planning, decision-making, and organizational behavior. Understanding this process supports alignment, motivation, and the successful achievement of organizational objectives. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 4361 688.